Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a price list for business in Canva. The first thing you want to do once on your Canva dashboard, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in price list. Then you're going to select enter. After you have done that, you can see that you're provided with numerous templates that you can choose from. So we're going to tap on see all in the top right hand corner. Then from here you can scroll down until you see a template of your liking. So it all depends on the type of business that you have. For example, if you're in the beauty niche, this would be a good template to use, or you could use this one if you're in the beauty salon. And if you are also a barber or so on, or photography, you can see different templates that you can choose from. Keep in mind that any one of the templates that you see with a crown that says pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But don't worry, there are numerous templates that you could use for completely free, as you can see right here. Let's say for example this template. You will select the template, then you will also see similar templates to that niche, as you can see below it right here. So you could select a similar one instead if you want. Once you have selected the template, let's say this one, you will tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you could choose to remove elements if you want. You can also choose to remove this element, or you could choose to change the background, and you can also edit the text. So for example, you could edit the pricing right here by selecting the particular price. You could change the price here, or you could change the name of an item by selecting the text right there. So you could select the text and then you could change the name. Another thing that you could also do, if it is a case that you would like to add additional items or just an additional text box, you can tap on text from the left hand menu option, then select add text box. Then from there you could type in your text right here. So for example, let's say I were to type in a text, thank you for shopping. So I could do that right here. After you have typed in your text, you can minimize it or you can enlarge it, and you can pull it to the position that you would like to add it, as you can see right there. Once you're finished creating your price list, all you need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on share, then select download. After you have selected download, from here you are going to leave it as PNG. Then all you need to do now is tap on download and you will be able to download it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Here it is. Thanks for watching.